Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss first this topic, place value and phase value. First we come to know what is a phase value and what is a place value. Phase value is the value of the digit in a given number and place value is the value of the digit into, that is, product with the value of the place where the digit lies. The digit has a particular place in its place value chart. That value of the place and the value of the digit should be multiplied to get place value. Let us explain it. Let us take a 4-digit number. $3,251, and we will write one by one the phase value and place value of each of the digit of this number. First, phase value of 1. Phase value of the digit is the digit itself, that is 1. And what will be the place value of 1? 1 is at 1's place. So, the digit into the value of the place, 1 place value is 1. So, 1 into 1, 1. Next, phase value of 5. 5 phase value, the digit itself, that is 5, and place value, first we will check where the place of 5, it is at 10 place. So, the digit 5 into the value of the place is 10, 10. So, 5 into 10, 50. So, the place value of 5 become 50. Next, 2. Phase value of 2 is 2 and place value is 2 into value of the place. Place of 2 is at 100. So, we will multiply it by 100. So, 200 we get the place value of 2. And the 3. Phase value of 3 is 3, the digit itself, and place value equal to 3 into the value of the place. 3 is at 1000 place. So, 3 into 1000, 3000. So, in this way we can find the phase value and place value of all the digits present in a number. Okay. Let us come to the next topic, which is expanded form and short form of a given number. Expanded form. And short form. What is an expanded form? An expanded form is the expression of a number as a sum of the place values of all the digits in the number. Let us explain it. Suppose a number given a 4-digit number I have taken. We have to express as an expanded form of this number. So, we will express it as a sum of the place values of all the digits in the number. First we will take 3. 3 is at 1000 place, it is ones place, 10 place, 100 place, this is 1000 place. So 3 is at 1000 place. So what will be the place value of 3? Place value of 3 will be 3000. Then plus 1 is at 100 place. So the place value of 1 is 100 plus 8 at 10 place. So the place value of 8 is 810 or 80 plus 7 is at 1 place. So the place value of 7 is 7. So this expression is the expanded form of this one. This is the expanded form. Okay. Let us take another expanded form of another number. This one. In this case, it is the ones place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. So first we will take 5 is at 1000 place. So its place value is 5000 plus next digit is 0 at 100 place. So its place value is 0 100, but 0 100 means simply 0. So we will not write the place value of 0 because its value is 0. Now 3 at 10 place. So its place value is 310 or 30 and the place value of 9 is 919. So this is the expanded form of this number 5039. So this is the expanded form of any number. Now short form. What is a short form? Short form is just converse of expanded form. That is, a number is already given in expanded form, you have to write in its actual form. Suppose a number given in expanded form like as 7000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. This is the expanded form of certain number. You have to write in short form, that is what was the actual number. So to find it, we will prepare a place value chart 1, 10, 100, 1000. Now check, the highest number is 7000 and 7 is coming at 1000 place. So we will put 7 at 1000 place. Next is 300. So 3 will come at 100 place. So 100 place 3. Next 20. 210. So 2 will come at 10 place. And 8 ones, 8 will come at ones place. So this is the actual number 7328 and this is the short form of the number. So it is just the reverse process of the expanded form. Let us take another example. 9201. Okay. Now check. 9 is at 1000 make place value chart 1, 10, 100, 1000, 9000. So 1000 place 9 plus 200, 2 at 100 place, just single 1, that is ones place 1. There is coming no digit at 10 place. So 10 place digit will be simply 0. So this is the short form of this number. Okay. So this was the topic, expanded form and short form. Hope you have understood today's two topics, place value, phase value and expanded form and short form. So you can do yourself the rest of the others problem. Next day we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.